Today we can discuss the Bohr model of atom. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम को पढ़ने के लिए सबसे पहला मॉडल थॉम्पसन मॉडल ऑफ एटम, दूसरा मॉडल रदरफोर्ड मॉडल ऑफ एटम और जो तीसरा मॉडल है दैट इज बोहर मॉडल ऑफ एटम. रदरफोर्ड मॉडल ऑफ एटम की शॉर्ट कमिंग्स को एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए नील बोहर ने 1913 में in order to explain the stability of an atom and find structure of hydrogen atom gave the new model called as Bohr model of an atom. The first postulate of the model is atom consists of small positive charge at the center and electron revolve around in a circular path called orbit. These orbit, the energy of orbit vary from as the electron move from one orbit to another, their energy can be varied. This orbit is also called energy state or energy level. Their value ranges from n equal to 1 to infinity. We can call it, when value of n is 1, we can call it is k energy level. When value of n is 2, it is called L. When value of n is 3, it is M. When value of n is 4, it is N. K, L, M, N. Value of n equal to 1, n equal to 2, 3, 4 and so on. The energy of the orbit is constant, means as long as the electron present in the orbital, their energy remains same. It neither loses energy nor gain energy. Therefore, whenever the electron present in an orbit, their energy is always same. Or these energies, in other words, these energies are called stationary states. These energies are also called as stationary states. The orbital have certain permitted values called angular momentum, which is either equal to h upon 2 pi or their multiple. It means from the relation the total angular momentum, that is mvr, equal to n h upon 2 pi, means the k orbital has their own angular momentum, L has their own. When the value of n is 1, mvr equal to h upon 2 pi. When value of n is 2, mvr equal to 2h upon 2 pi or h upon pi and so on. It means only permitted values of angular momentum are allowed in the stationary states. Number 3, when we can provide an energy to an electron, it can excited from one energy level to another level. The minimum energy possessed by an electron, is called ground state. is called ground state. Suppose we can represent the ground state energy by E1, and when it goes to the higher energy level, that is called excited state. Excited state. And we can represent the excited state by E2. The total change in energy is equal to higher energy state minus lower energy state, that is E2 minus E1. This is the relation to calculate the change in energy when an electron jump from one orbital to another orbital. Now, this relation is also used to calculate the wavelength of an electron. As we know, E equal to, according to Einstein relation, E equal to hv. According to Planck's, E equal to hv. Now, the energy of the relation of the wavelength, that is lambda, and frequency mu is mu equal to c upon lambda. Now, E equal to h c upon lambda. When an electron jump from one orbital to another, the change in energy is represented by delta E, means E2 minus delta E. When an electron jump from one orbital to another, we can call change in energy, and that change is represented by delta E equal to hc upon lambda, or lambda equal to hc upon delta E. When electron jump from energy level E2 to E1, that lambda equal to hc upon E2 minus E1. When an electron jump from E3 to E1, lambda equal to hc upon E3 minus E1. And these are called the wavelength of various energy levels. This is called wavelength of various energy levels. It means whenever the orbit changes, their wavelength changes. Now, when electron, suppose there are various energy levels, we can start from E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, various energy levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When an electron jump from higher energy level to N1, N higher to N1 means 4, 5, 3, 2 to N1. This is called Lyman series. When an electron jump from higher energy level to energy level N1, this is called Lyman series. When an electron jump from higher energy level to N2, and this is called Balmer series. This is called Balmer series when an electron jump from higher energy level to N3, and this is called Pascal series. Pascal series means n higher to n2, n higher to n3, n higher to n4 and so on. This is called Lehman series. This is called Balmer series. This is called Pascal series. When higher energy level to n equal to 4, this is called Bracht series, B-R-A-C-K-T, Bracht series. And when higher energy level to n5, this is called Pfund series. Last, Pascal, n equal to higher to n equal to 4, this is called Bracht series. And when higher to n equal to 5, this is called Pfund series. In this, Lehman series lies in ultraviolet region. Balmer series is identified in the visible region, and Pfund, Bracht and Pascal series identified in the infrared region. Now, second one, this Bohr model of atom explain the stability of atom. Means as long as the atom revolved around a particular orbit, they neither lose energy nor gain energy. Therefore, atom as a whole is electrically neutral. Thank you.